12-volt, water-resistant white blower intended for use with 4-inch interior diameter vent hose. Installs with number 10 fasteners. Marine ignition protected and has built-in mounting feet for easy vertical or horizontal installation. Provides outstanding ventilation airflow for areas such as engine compartments, galleys, bilges, and heads. Features a patented, inline design, and the 5-blade fan maximizes airflow and efficiency. The blade sweep and pitch are engineered for a high lift coefficient, resulting in increased airflow speed for optimized ventilation. For 7/8 ID thru-hull. Ideal for livewell drains. Brass snaps and plates. Note: not for use with chemicals or fuels. Top reviews from the United States. Wow! This thing really blows. Purchased for a 5-gallon bucket cooler. Thought I was getting 4-inch, but got 3-inch by mistake. Not a problem at all. This thing really blows air. I run it non-stop 24 hours a day in my 5-gallon bucket swamp cooler. It's a little bit noisy, but not so bad I can't sleep through it. This type of blower is 100% the type of fan you want to use for your 5-gallon bucket cooler. Be sure to opt for the water-resistant model. Pair it with a cheap 12 VSLA battery, charge controller, and cheap solar panel and you'll have your off-the-grid swamp cooler running 24/7 with no problems.